Po tayo, let's go. Eusebio missed the shot. May ako na po ulit talayusin ha. So
Hey, side kick. On the way. Obi.
wala rito ng Lasal. Third quarter na po tayo.
On stick.
Centeno.
Hey. Pwede ba?
Take a shot. Oh. Tagle to Centeno. Fake. Drop pass number 99 and score. Kita po ah. Out of bounds.
Hey, execute like this. Come on, man.
Basket is good for Regalario. Out of bounds. Number 1. Pass to Centeno. Bounce pass. Tagle for 3. No. Rebound. Outlet pass. Number 19. Too strong. Rebound by Tagle. Tagle. The guy. Regalario for 3. No.
Go, face. Yeah,
Wala rito ng Xavier. Devin Negracia. Pass to the corner. 4-3. You missed it. Rebound. Number 2. Eusebio to Centeno, setting on the screen. Centeno for 3. No. Makuha ni Tagle from the corner. Jump shot is good. 48-30 in favor pa rin sa Lasal. Number 15. Whoa! Nakalusot. Ayan na, libre si number 99. Ay, shoutout po. And si Daddy Loxin. Ayan ang kanyang ulit ko. Substitution. Oh, wait. Okay, substitution. Loxin coming in. Time out. Xavier School. Nobody. Sa mga kasyon nila po, this is the battle for third ng ISA League 2025-2026 season. get back to the ball game.
Hey, protect the leaders. Ano ba?
Up and under, using the board and score for Xavier School Now Valley. Eusebio. Uy. Pass to Eusebio. May tangan ng bola. Setting on the screen. Eusebio. Stop and pump from the corner. He missed it. Rebound. Eusebio, pass to Regalario for 3! 3-point for Regalario. Oopsie. Nasa corner, number 3, 8 for 3. He missed. Rebound. Regalario. Using the board, no. Rebound ng Xavier. Outlet pass. Gets a foul. Sub. Tuazon coming in. 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Bola rito ng Xavier School No Valley. Sese. Pass to number 282. Back to Sese. Traveling violation. Number 99, jump shot, he missed. Rebound by Regalario. Regalario, offensive foul.
Ano dapat? Iwasan?
No good. Titus. Sese for 3. No. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 99. Outlet pass. Regalario, he missed. Substitution. Bumatay coming in. Travel. Xavier School No Valley basketball. Oh, steal. Regalario, miss, rebound. Gets a foul. Using the board and the score. Correction. Sese. Oh, still. Out of bounds, same ball. Mendoza coming in. steal. Tuazon. Regalario, what an extra pass. And score. Outlet pass, number 7. Using the glass. Wala. Rebound by number 31. Number Loxin. Binigay sa corner. No good. Rebound. Sese. Outlet pass. Number 15. Walang tawag ang ating referee. Oopsie. Official timeout. Time remaining 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Wala akong dalang candy, sayang. Number 8 for 3, miss. Yes, a foul.
If you're the opposite side, press in the middle.
Oh, last touch. Blue ball.
Hey, 23.
Number 19. Leyva. Running shot. Whiz. Bumatay. Pass to Tuazon. Oh, sorry, that's Balahadia. To Tuazon. Bumatay to Tuazon. Uy, steal by number 19. Ayan na. Ang Xavier No Valley. Sese, fake. Uy. Gets a foul. Correction, that's number 22. That is a Leyva. Hello po.
Basket time out.
Take a shot. Oh, we missed. Rebound by number 12. Ayan na. What an extra pass. Wala. Rebound ng Xavier. Here we go. Outlet pass. Number 74. Oh! Basket count and 1. Time out. LaSalle Green Hills. Official score is 57-36. With the time remaining 1 minute and 32 seconds. Yan natin ang ating LaSalle Green Hills by Coach Mangahas. Pala to. Patay. Kalang ko 3. Pasensya na po sa hindi ko may live mamaya. Akala ko may 3. Wala na si Batman. Bumatay! Uy! Gets a foul.
Hey, triangle! Triangle! Iyak, mataas ka! Inigo! Screen kay Simon! Diyan ka na! Screen naman si Simon! Open ka, Inigo!
Number 31, 4-3. No.
Down!
Rebound. That's a foul.
Hey guys! Nag-miss tayo. Hey, guard! Guard!
1 minute and 9 seconds.
Hey, basket!
Wala lang eh. Sabay ba? Akala ko makaiwalay. Kasi may 3. Tapos bolo. Sulo po 3 eh. Ano schedule sa'yo? Ay, di. Anong pala nasa medic? Lasal ka rin, di ba? O, da Lasal, Zobel? Zobel?
Ano?
Meron pa ba isang laban sa isang Green Hills? Stop and pump, too strong, rebound, number 7 to number 8, fade away shot, oy, number 7. No, akala ko may 3, bolo kayo, oh. Nagulit eh. Wala. Lugo. First shot, no good. Time remaining, last 51 seconds. Lago. Wow, no. Out of bounds.
Baka konti.
Number 31, too strong. Rebound ng Xavier. Tinaas sa corner. Missed it. Gets the foul. Basket. Miss it. Spin. And 1. Basket count. And 1. Last 24 seconds. Wala. Number 8, in and out. Isa pa daw. Wala. Rebound. Number 7, another foul. Basket. Lazo. Or Lago rather. Basket na naman for Lago. Last 21 seconds. Let's go. Uy, still. Number 8. Ah, yeah. Last 12 seconds. 10, 9. Bumatay. And 1. Basket count and 1 for Bumatay. Time remaining, last 6 seconds. 59-43. At nakasagot agad doon si Bumatay. Wala. Rebound by number 7. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tira. Ay. Sayang. Alright, end of the third quarter. Fisher score 59-43 in favor of Lasal Green Hills. Alright, tayo dadawa na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Namang pa rin po ang ating Lasal Green Hills sa tagpong ito. At magkakaalaman na tayo kung sino ang tatanghaling sa third place sa ating pagbabalik. Pass and score. (43-61). Oh, number 7, reverse layup. Time out. Lasal Green Hills 63-45. Ay. Okay, back to the ball game. Time remaining 8 minutes and 53 seconds. Oopsie. Oh, steal ng Lasal. Eusebio. Wala. Uy. And Regalario with a putback and score. Yung si Jospe yung ulo. Yung Centeno. Gaza. Regalario, bonus shot for a 3-point play. Regalario, wala. Eusebio, tama ba kick out. Here comes Tagle, stop and pump and score for Tagle. 67-45. Ayan na ang Xavier Novali. Floater, he missed. Rebound ni Eusebio. Eusebio nagmamadali. Eusebio, outlet pass, fake. Umatake, Regalario, he missed it. Rebound. Makakuha ng Xavier. Ayan na, outlet pass. Here comes Segun, kick out. Floater, miss. Rebound by Eusebio. Eusebio, pass to number 2. Uy! Regalario with a putback. 69-45. Fajardo. Pass to the guy sa corner. Top of the key for 3. Uy, may konting tulak. Pero hindi nakita yun ang ating referee. Centeno with the rebound. Centeno. Pinasa sa corner. Tagle, fake. Tagle. Out of bounds. Xavier School basketball. No Valley. Hand off, number 8. Out of bounds. 6 minutes and 42. Leiva, hindi kayo sa corner. Running shot, missed. Rebound by number 7. Hook shot, wala pa rin. Rebound. Uy. Out of bounds. Ayan na, number 99. What an extra pass to Regalario. At lumalaki na po ng gusto ang alamangan ng Lasal Green Hills. Here comes Segun. Sorry, that's Leiva. Fake. Running shot and one for Leiva. Fifth 47-71. Leiva shooting for 2. 2 for fourth personal foul. Coach, apat na yung Leiva. Number 1. Apat na daw.
Meron? Gusto namin. Foul daw muna. So traveling muna. Diba bago magkaroon ng contact. Amin yung contact.
Eusebio. Hand off to Centeno. Centeno. Pass to Eusebio. Eusebio, binigay. Tagle. Ooh.
Hey guys,
Stepping on the line.
23. Hello.
Xavier's School, no, Valley Basketball. Leiva. Number 19, fake. Pass to Leiva. Nasa corner. Steal. Vice Regalario. Here comes Tagle all the way. 75-48. Yes, a foul. Four minutes and 33 seconds. Number 8. Number 19, running shot, wala. Rebound by Regalario. Regalario, running shot, missed the shot. Rebound by number 19. Number 19. Take a shot, coach. Oh, rebound. Steal. Oh, there's a foul.
Umabot, pinadala sa
Stop.
Take a shot, no. Running shot and score. Alright, sub. Lebron, Sandigo, Padilla, Ojeda, and Tuazon coming in. Ay, puda muna po. Excited. Muna kayo, dinong sa bilis. Sabay. Ayaw mo, huwag mo na magsimula. 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Let's go. bounds. Timeout. Xavier.
Alam mo, madali ako kausap sa akin.
Ito mo. Bila po. Okay, back to the ball game. Set to number 0. Fade away shot. And this a foul. Wala. Go.
May tawag ko, wag ka kaya mo siya makilap.
Gets the 3. No. Number 34. Basket. That's a foul.
Okay, box now, box. Side, box. One, two. Reverse it, two. Reverse.
Oh my god, I put up.
Ayan na, number 45, and that's a foul.
Yan ba yung nasa YouTube ko yan?
Oh,
Ayun yan.
ikaw ba yung bumatay? Kapatid mo ba yung bumatay sa Chacha ko? Kapatid mo ba yun?
Si Bumatay.
Oh,
Yung
sa Chacha ko.
matatangkad.
Hindi, mali. Chacha ko? Kids. Nata sa
Kids?
Oo. Di ba?
Bumatay?
Oo. Bumatay din eh.
Mukha ko?
Hindi, kapatid din. Mahusay din maglaro. Kaya akala ko kapatid mo eh. Ito Lasal pala. Kasi usually naglalaro dun dito rin eh.
Kayo din yung ano?
Oo.
Ano sa Isabel versus Lasal?
Oo.
Tampa kami.
Ay, kayo ba yun? Ay, yung ano? Last time. Oh.
Walang-
Knockout game, no?
Kayo ba yan? Yung ano, YouTube channel nyo?
Paano? Pa-subscribe din, bro. Wala namang bayad yun, di ba? Pasabi sa makasama mo. Thank you, bro. Congrats, third place. Ayan na! Oh! And one! Count and 1. Basket. Last 25 seconds. Let's go. Ayun na, tumatakbo. Nagmamadali. Uy. Last 17 seconds. Running shot, Sese, he missed. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban na 2, 1. Oh! What a buzzer beater by jersey number 13. Congratulations, LaSalle Green Hills. Win this game. The final score 78-55. So magtatapos na ating laban. Congratulations. Sila po na nga third place. And nice game para sa Xavier Nobali. Maraming salamat po.